My name is Kannan. Cooking has been my passion for a long time. I'm an engineering student, but initially நான் ஹோட்டலியர் ஆகணுன்ட்டு தான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தது. I was not able to follow it all these years. But I came to know about Food Consulate when I was searching for culinary institutes. So I thought, why not give it a try?
We are done with the graduation of this year. I'm really glad that I've chose Food Consulate. See, when I searched what I have to do on baking on my career next, Food Consulate came into my mind. Nothing else in the city. So they have the best chef. So they helped us to come out of the box and think what we can do more creative. That's how I came here.
Hi everybody, great time I'm having at Food Consulate. I met up with a bunch of chefs, pastry chefs, very motivated young individuals. It's amazing to see so much of talent in one place, and that too in Chennai. I'm so happy to be here, and if you haven't already found out about Food Consulate, find it, attend a class and get yourself certified. All the best.